How a woman can respect her husband. That is what I want to disclose in this video. There are so many women, they don't know how to respect their spouse or husband. So I want to drop some ways you can respect your partner or husband. So with this, you will know how to respect your man or respect your husband. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know how a woman can respect her husband. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to see this channel, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell when next I upload a video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. You will get notified of my new upload. So if you want to know how to respect your man as a woman, adopt these habits. They will help you to know how to respect your husband. Number one is respecting him. How do you respect him? Love him, obey him, and be submissive. If you do this, that man will always love you. Yes, respecting men is a key to their hearts. Respecting a man is a powerful strategy you can use to hold that man tight. So always respect your man. If you do this, he will love you once again. Number two on how to respect your husband is be kind and considerate. Yes, be good to your man. Be kind and loving. He will love you too. He will reciprocate that love and also return it to you as a human being. So always be kind no matter any situation, challenges both of you are facing in that marriage or in that relationship. If you are always kind, he will respect you and he will love you. And if you always show considerate whenever he explains things to you, he will also love you. Number three is to show appreciation for his contribution. Yes, whenever he made a little effort for the good and progress of that marriage, always show appreciation. This will make him to endeavor to do more. This will make him to always plan to do more, so that you will be happy. That marriage will be working, or that relationship will be working perfectly. So always show appreciation for his contribution, no matter the amount, no matter the little efforts. Show appreciation. If you do this, you are loving him and you are respecting him to the fullest. Number four is surprise him with small gesture of affection. Yes, no matter the situation you may be as a woman, show a little kindness, show a little affection. This can go a long way to make him happy, to make him to love you, to make him to stay with you, and to also make him to be in the best state of health, so that he will respond when you want him as a man. Remember that when a man is angry, he can hardly respond, he can hardly perform well. But when a man is always happy, that is when he will respond when the need arises. So surprise him with a small gesture of affection. Do this as a woman. That man will never let you go, and that man will always love you. Number five is celebrate his achievements. Yes, even when he has nothing, anyone he can afford, anyone he can do, celebrate him. This will motivate him to do more. This will push him to find for the bigger ones that will make you more happier as a woman. So whenever you celebrate your man, when he achieves a little thing, he will be happy with you, and with this you are pushing him to do the best, so that more will come into that family. or into that marriage. So no matter the little achievement he may make or achieve, celebrate him. With this, he will love you and you are increasing his power as a man. Number 6 and the last way you can respect your husband is trust him. When you trust your man, you are putting him in a condition of loving you more. You are putting him in a condition of having more confidence on you as a woman. So trust him no matter whatever he is doing. Even when he offends you, try to expose that offense. Tell him what he has done wrong so that he will take correction. And as you are doing this, you are making that marriage to move forward. And the most important thing is that when you trust a man, he will never do something that will hurt you, because anywhere he is, he will always acknowledge that you trust him. And with this, he will never misbehave, and he will always think about you and always have you in mind. Whenever he wants to do anything silly or anything bad, your presence, your love, your trust will flash in his mind, and this will draw him back from that bad act. So trusting a man is another way to respect him. And once you do all this, that man will love you. So this is how to respect your husband as a woman. And this is what I want to share in this video. I hope you get value. Please support this channel by subscribing and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will be notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.